In a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries, it's hard not to wonder how much longer before AI models like Meta's new Llama 4 are capable of doing everything from coding to creative tasks. But as it turns out, Llama 4, Meta's latest multimodal AI model, may not be as flawless as it first seemed. It boasts record-breaking capabilities, but behind its impressive benchmarks lies a controversy that has left many wondering whether it's really the AI we think it is. So, what makes Llama 4 so special, and why is it sparking heated debates within the AI community? Let's dive into the video. Meta's Llama 4, the AI that's dominating the benchmarks. Meta's Llama 4 has taken the AI world by storm. Released over the weekend, Llama 4 is a native multimodal model from Meta that can handle both text and image inputs, something not every AI model is capable of. And the specs? Absolutely jaw-dropping. The biggest talking point: its 10 million token context window, a feature that allows the model to process a mind-blowing amount of data in a single pass. For comparison, the only other competitor in the same ballpark is Google's Gemini 2.5, which has a context window of just 2 million tokens. But as exciting as this sounds, there's more beneath the surface. Meta's Llama 4 has immediately claimed the top spot on LN Arena, a highly respected AI benchmarking platform. On LN Arena, models are ranked based on real human feedback from thousands of head-to-head chats. This means the rankings can't be manipulated, so it seemed like Llama 4 had earned its place at the top, right? Well, it wasn't quite that simple. Meta's cheating move. Did Llama 4 really play fair? Despite the impressive stats and record-breaking performance, it turns out Meta's victory on LN Arena may not have been entirely earned. In a surprising turn of events, it was revealed that the Llama 4 model that was dominating the rankings wasn't the original one, it was a fine-tuned version designed specifically to excel in human preference tests. Meta's decision to tweak its model for these results raised eyebrows, as this approach goes against the spirit of the benchmark platform. Ella Marina, the founder of LN Arena, called out Meta for what she described as a cheating move, stating that Meta's interpretation of the platform's policies didn't align with what the community expected. She went on to say, "Llama 4 looks amazing on paper, but for some reason, it's not passing the vibe check." It's clear that despite Llama 4's technical prowess, its victory felt a bit hollow, especially when it seemed to be manipulated for performance rather than true unbiased ability. This whole situation has left many AI enthusiasts in a quandary. If a model can't even earn its place on the leaderboards fairly, can it be trusted to revolutionize industries or take on complex real-world tasks? Shopify's AI-first strategy, a glimpse into the future of AI adoption. But the drama surrounding Llama 4 isn't the only thing making headlines. The day after the Meta controversy broke, an internal memo from Shopify's CEO was leaked, revealing a bold move towards AI-first strategy. In this memo, Shopify's CEO, Andy, detailed the company's aggressive push to integrate AI into every facet of its operations. He even stated that teams must demonstrate why they can't get the job done with AI, signaling that AI adoption is no longer optional, it's a must. For employees not yet comfortable with AI, particularly those in roles like Ruby on Rails programming, this could mean they're left behind in favor of more tech-savvy replacements. It's a striking statement, especially considering Shopify's strong presence in the e-commerce space. But it's also a snapshot of what other tech companies are likely thinking. The reality is, CEOs everywhere are looking at AI not just as a tool for innovation, but as a way to increase productivity and reduce costs. Humans have flaws, illnesses, mistakes, and inefficiencies that AI doesn't suffer from, making it an increasingly attractive option for businesses looking to stay ahead in a competitive market. This has prompted mixed reactions. Some are excited by the potential for progress, while others are worried about job security and what this means for the future of work. Whether we like it or not, it seems that AI is here to stay, and the question now is how we will adapt. The Llama 4 controversy, a blessing or a curse for AI's future? Despite the hoopla surrounding Meta's Llama 4, there's still reason to believe in the future of open AI models. Llama 4 is, after all, still an impressive feat in AI development. It's an open model, meaning that unlike proprietary models, it's free for most developers to use. This accessibility opens up new opportunities for a wide range of users, from researchers to hobbyists to large-scale enterprises. Open AI models like Llama 4 are likely to continue driving innovation in the AI space, even if the current version is a bit controversial. But Llama 4's multimodal capabilities and massive context window don't come without their limitations. For instance, the sheer memory requirements for such a model make it practically unusable for most developers unless you happen to have access to large-scale computing infrastructure. Even if the model could handle the data, real-world use cases, such as applying Llama 4 to large codebases, have proven to be less than ideal. The Scout version, for example, is the smallest of Llama 4's variants, and while it boasts that 10 million token context window, it's still far from being an optimal solution for practical AI applications in many fields. The Maverick and Behemoth versions, on the other hand, come with their own sets of challenges, with the latter still undergoing active training. What does all this mean for AI's future? At the heart of all this drama and controversy, however, lies a very real question. How do we ensure AI advances in a way that is both ethical and practical? With models like Llama 4 and Shopify's AI-first strategy, we're witnessing a future where AI is not only a tool for innovation, but also a force that could change how we work, create, and interact with technology. Despite its flaws, Llama 4 represents a significant milestone in AI's development. Its potential to handle multimodal inputs and process vast amounts of data is something worth celebrating, but the transparency issues and questionable practices around its release raise concerns about the integrity of AI development. If the industry wants to truly unlock the power of AI, we'll need to ensure that benchmarks are fair, that models are used ethically, and that developers can access and utilize these advancements responsibly. But as AI continues to evolve, it's clear that it will remain a driving force behind business innovation and development. Whether it's through models like Llama 4 or other emerging technologies, the future of work and technology is going to be heavily influenced by artificial intelligence. AI agent for the real world. Enter Augment. While Llama 4 might not be perfect, there are models out there that deliver on the promises AI makes. One such model is Augment, an AI agent that's tailored for large-scale code bases. Unlike Llama 4, which has received mixed reviews for its real-world performance, Augment focuses on helping developers by understanding entire code bases and solving complex tasks with high-quality code. Augment's context engine integrates seamlessly with tools like VS Code, GitHub, and Vim, allowing developers to streamline their work and create better code without dealing with the usual inefficiencies and messy code that comes with human error. Plus, it learns and adapts to your team's unique coding style, making it one of the most effective AI tools for professional developers. As AI tools like Augment continue to refine their capabilities, it's clear that while we may not be ready for AI to replace our jobs just yet, there are certainly tools out there that can help us work smarter and more efficiently. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into the wild world of AI. What do you think about Meta's Llama 4? Is it the future of AI or just another example of a tech giant trying to game the system? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.